Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how you need to use the bot. So here is the login sign up. You just need to create an account and then go for login. So let me just do a quick sign up. Okay. After sign up successfully, let me just show you that how this bot will work. This is the account screen. You need to add your Telegram account. You can add as much account as you want. The server uh, space is 30 GB, so it is enough for thousands of accounts. So that's not a problem. Okay, from this button, let me just okay from let me just on the VPN because in Pakistan the Telegram is not working. So I will receive the code after I just log in. Okay, so you need to click on add account, insert your number, the API ID, the API hash. After this, you need to enter the proxy. If you don't have proxy, no problem. Just leave it blank and click on add. Okay. So you see, I just got a code. Just copy it, and it will give you an option here to insert the code. Okay, it show me a box where I need to enter my code and just click on submit. After I submit, it will just make my account authenticate and just add the account into database. Okay, so you can see that my account is added in the database, so you can see it. And in the verified section, you can see that my account is verified, that it is authenticated. If it will not authenticated, it will show you false. And from this button, you can refresh your Telegram account, and you can see that which account is blocked or suspended. And from this option, you can upload the Telegram accounts in from text and CSV file. The format, you can see the format from this: the phone number, comma, API hash, comma, API ID hash, comma, and then proxy. So you can upload bulk account from the tick file also. Once again, just connect my battery. Okay, after you successfully add your account, there are three modules. The first one is DM module. So let me just explain. It will send you the DMs to private accounts. It will send a private DM. So for sending private DMs, you just need to add accounts into the Telegram, uh, add Telegram accounts, and then you need to add the target user list, the user list to which you want to send the DMs. And similarly, you just need to uh, add the messages list, that the messages that you need to send to the people. So let me just click here and add the target user list. So once again, how you will get the target user list. For getting the target user list, you just need to go to this Telegram group board and then scrap a group. You can scrap a group. Just select the phone number from which you want to scrap a group, and just enter here the group username from which you want to scrap user. So you just need let me just uh, scrap some group like this group or this one. Okay, just copy its username, and so let me just put here only username. So just click on start. It will just scrap this group. You just need to enter the amount of batches you want to make file. Just create here 50. So it will create two files. One contain 50 and one contain 29 members. So I just download both of them and just close it. Okay. So now I have target user in the CSV file. I just scrapped. You can see here. Okay, I just go to the module number one and just import the user list, which I just give it name first user list and just import it from CSV. This one. Okay. So here is it imported. Just click on add. Once you click on add, it will add the target user list. So now I have one target user list. I can delete it and I can show the users. See the user. Okay. Similarly, uh, add the messages. You can add the messages. Just give the messages list name. And just hi, hello, like this. You need to put as much messages you want as you want. One line per message. Okay. Just click on add. After you just click on add, it will add the messages list. Yeah. So you can see we have one messages and one target user list. So I just go to the create task button. Okay, so we will create a task. Let me just give task name. Select the account from which I want to send DMs. Select the user list to which I send the DMs to which I will send DMs, and then select the message list, the message which I want to send, and from here you can select the picture and video. So I just select the some random uh, image, this one. So the bot will send messages randomly and with this picture. So create task. After you will create a task, okay. So from this button, you can create as much task as you want. So you can start all the tasks at the same time, stop all the tasks and delete all the tasks, or you can start each task separately from this button. Okay. Okay. So when I click on this button, you can see it will start sending DMs. It showed that done user one. You can see here it just sent this user a DM, this DM, the picture with the message. So the first module is working good. I just stop it. Okay. The second module is sending DMs to groups randomly. So you just need to insert the target user list. This is the same as you see in the previous module. The same messages. This is the same. These two buttons are also same. This will start all the tasks and stop all the tasks of this module, and you can create a task. So you just need to give here a task name, and just you need to put the target group usernames. For example, if I want to send messages in this group randomly, in this group you can add more groups. So you can just write like this. Okay. So one line per group username. Just select a message list, and then you need to upload the images or videos which you want to send to the group message. If you leave it blank, the bot will only send the messages. So just leave it blank and just create a task. Now what the bot will do, all these Telegram numbers will send the messages to this group randomly. So I just create a task. Task created successfully. You can see I have task in this module, one task here and one task here. So you just come here and run this. So you can see it just send me a message in this group. Nice to meet you, and it will send messages randomly after several interval of time. So if you have many accounts, all of them will send randomly DMs in the group list in this task. So this is also working good. Okay, so this is the last Telegram group bot. It will add the user to the into the group. Okay. Uh, from this button, you can scrap group. Just click here, select the number from which you want to scrap group, and give here the group username. So the bot will join the group and scrap uh, the group, and it will just give you CSV files in batches. These two buttons are also same. After you scrap the group, you just need to click here, give the number from which you want to add the users into some group. Just give here the task name, and you need to just enter the group name into which you want to add the members. So I just give here a group name into which I just want to add user, and here is the user list. I want to add this user list into this group, okay, from this number. So what this number will do, this number will add all these user in this list into this group. So just create a task, okay, and then you can see uh, it has status ready, done user 0, failed user 0. So I just click on start button and it will start adding the user into this group. It's a failed user, user because some user has privacy that they we don't need to we don't uh, add those user into the group. So let me just show you the logs so you can get the better idea. uh, the user blocked to add account. You can see that we just add a user. The bot will just add a user. Hola Wala invited this one, so the bot is adding users to this group. So this is how the bot is adding user to the group. So this is all. These are all three modules. One is private for private DMs, sending picture and with messages, and the second one is for group for DMs into group, and the third one is adding groups, adding user into the group. So and from this button you can log out from your account. You can create as much account as you want. You can create multiple accounts and multiple add multiple Telegram accounts. So this is created very dynamically. So this is all. Uh, thank you so much for your order, sir. And I tried my 100% to deliver you very best product. So this is all. Thank you so much.